Antibiotic crisis. Right now, antibiotics make it easy to get rid of infections and do routine medical procedures, but as time passes, bacteria are getting more and more resistant to all of them. If we use more antibiotics, bacteria have a higher chance of becoming stronger against them, which is one of the reasons why it's advised to not use antibiotics without being checked by a doctor. Another reason that this happens is because the agriculture industry heavily uses them to grow food. Some projections say that if we don't discover new treatments, we could see common infections become once again life-threatening, with around 10 million deaths annually. The bad news is that research is not incentivized because it's expensive and not that profitable, as new antibiotics are usually useful against a small number of bacteria, lowering sales numbers, and one-time treatments like vaccines need to be taken only once, also causing low sales numbers. Nuclear war. There are currently around 13,000 nuclear warheads, and if every single one of them exploded, a percentage between 50 and 80% of the human population would either die immediately or in the long term. The surviving ones would find themselves in a very hostile environment, with the nuclear winter caused by a lowering of temperatures due to smoke being sent into the atmosphere and blocking out sunlight. This would cause catastrophic damage to agriculture and create food shortages. They'd also have to fight radiation that would cause severe health problems, including cancer and genetic mutations. The radiation could contaminate food and water supplies, further reducing the population over time.
Transhumanism.
In modern times, biological evolution for humans has slowed down because we've created ways to adapt to our environment using technology rather than relying on natural changes in our bodies. Technological advancement, however, continues at a rapid pace, matter of fact, at a much faster pace than biological evolution. This has led to the concept of transhumanism, where technology is used to enhance human abilities beyond natural limits. We could edit our genes to adapt ourselves to other planets, thus making different human subspecies. One of the most extreme ideas in transhumanism is digital consciousness, which involves uploading human minds into computers or creating a hive mind where many people's thoughts and experiences are interconnected, functioning as a super intelligent single entity. At this point, we'd need incredibly different organisms to roam around the world and gather resources, putting humanity as we define it to an end, but keeping humans alive in another new form.
Massive asteroid.
To cause human extinction, an asteroid would need to be around 10 kilometers in diameter, like the one that caused the extinction of dinosaurs. It's pretty difficult for this to happen, since scientists are monitoring every big asteroid in our vicinity, and thanks to experiments like the DART mission, designed to test and demonstrate a method of asteroid deflection by intentionally crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid at high speed, we can hypothesize that we might be able to avoid a complete catastrophe.